been the same the whole time since we were in there. It just dropped to negative, well, whatever the negative one is.
-1.
Well, it's cold, but it's been the same temperature in here, and it just dropped.
Okay. What's that mean?
And now it's flickering. There's somebody around me?
You have a temp gun there.
There's that temperature difference between out here and there.
There's really. Yeah, then it'll obviously drop it.
Heather has the EMF detector somewhere.
Yeah, it's like a huge one here. You can go all the way back to drop. Oh, yeah.
I hear an alarm going off.
No, you're right. It's still.
The closest to this out there is 38, and the closest to this one here so far has only been 26.
Definitely no heat.
The warmest out there, I think, is probably 45 maybe.
Really. Please don't sing the Macarena.
That's what the ghost it sounded like. It's like it's just in the Macarena.
That's at 29.
Oh, yeah.
That's an audible alarm for temperature change.